Welcome back to NextGen Motorhomes, your go-to channel for the latest in RV innovation and adventure-ready rides. Today, we're diving deep into the 2026 Thor Motor Coach Indigo, a fresh entry-level luxury Class 8 gas motorhome that's turning heads for its blend of affordability, family-friendly features, and modern upgrades. If you're in a market for something that feels premium without breaking the bank, stick around as we break down the exterior, interior, performance, and pricing in detail. I've spent some quality time with this beast, and let me tell you, it's got a lot to offer for weekend warriors and full-time road trippers alike. Let's kick things off with the exterior, because first impressions matter when you're pulling up to a campsite or cruising down the highway. The 2026 Indigo lineup comes in several floor plans, but they all share that sleek, aerodynamic profile typical of Thor's Class A designs. Built on the proven Ford F-53 chassis, these rigs range from about 32 to 37 feet in length, making them maneuverable enough for national parks but spacious for extended stays. The full-body paint job is a standout, gel-coated fiberglass sidewalls with high-gloss finishes that resist fading and chipping from road debris. You've got options for color schemes like the bold crimson tide or more subdued earth tones, all with chrome accents on the mirrors and entry handles for that upscale vibe. Up front, the one-piece fiberglass cap integrates seamlessly with the windshield, reducing wind noise and improving aerodynamics. The power patio awning stretches out to 18 feet on most models, complete with integrated LED lighting for those evening barbecues. I love the exterior entertainment setups on select floor plans like the MM30, which includes an outdoor kitchen with a mini fridge, sink, and even a pull-out grill tray. Perfect for tailgating or lakeside meals without tracking dirt inside. Storage is abundant. We're talking pass-through basement compartments with slam latch doors holding up to 100 cubic feet of gear. The 10,000-pound trailer hitch means you can tow a small car or boat effortlessly, and the auto-leveling jacks make setup a breeze. No more wrestling with manual cranks. Safety features on the exterior are top-notch too. You've got side-mounted cameras that feed into the dash display, helping with those tight merges on the interstate. The entry steps are electric and illuminated, with a grab handle that's sturdy for all ages. And don't overlook the roof. It's a one-piece fiberglass design with ladder access, ideal for solar panel installations if you're going off-grid. Overall, the exterior screams durability and style. It's not the flashiest RV out there, but it punches above its weight in practicality. Now, stepping inside, the interior of the 2026 Indigo is where Thor really shines, blending home-like comfort with RV smarts. The cabin greets you with high ceilings, over 7 feet in most areas, and residential vinyl flooring that's easy to clean after muddy adventures. Lighting is LED throughout, with dimmers for ambience, and the windows are frameless tinted ones that let in tons of natural light while keeping the heat out. Let's talk living spaces. In the MM30 floor plan, which is about 32 feet long and sleeps up to 6, you got a single slide-out that expands the lounge area dramatically. The theater seating is heated and massaging. Yes, you heard that right. Perfect for unwinding after a long drive. It faces a 39-inch LED TV on a power lift, with surround sound from the Bluetooth-enabled stereo. The convertible sofa and dinette booth are upholstered in soft leatherette that's stain-resistant, and they double as extra sleeping spots. Overhead, there's a drop-down bunk that's surprisingly roomy, rated for 500 pounds, great for kids or guests. Moving to the kitchen, it's a chef's dream on wheels. The residential-style refrigerator is 12 cubic feet with an ice maker, flanked by solid-surface countertops and a 3-burner gas cooktop. The convection microwave doubles as an oven, and there's a deep stainless steel sink with a high-arc faucet for easy pot washing. Storage? Pantries, overhead cabinets, and even pull-out drawers under the dinette mean you'll never run out of space for groceries. I appreciated the little touches like USB ports everywhere and 110V outlets for small appliances. The bedroom in the Indigo is a sanctuary. Most models feature a king-size bed with a memory foam mattress, underbed storage, and dual nightstands with reading lights. In the CC35 floor plan, which stretches to 37 feet and sleeps up to 9, you get a full rear master suite with a wardrobe closet, dresser, and even an optional washer-dryer prep. The bathroom is split in some layouts, a private toilet and vanity on one side, shower on the other, for that hotel feel. The shower itself has a skylight, teak seat, and rainfall head, making it feel luxurious rather than cramped. Tech-wise, the 2026 updates are game changers. The dash now sports a 14-inch touchscreen radio with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can stream podcasts or navigate hands-free. SiriusXM is built in, and there's a backup camera with dynamic guidelines. Climate control is dual zone with a 35,000 BTU furnace and 2 roof AC units, keeping things comfy in any weather. For boondocking, the 5.5 kilowatts generator is quiet and efficient, paired with a 50 amp service and optional solar prep. One thing that impressed me is the build quality, soft close drawers, residential hardware, and even a central vacuum system in higher trims. It's family-oriented too, with seat belts for up to 9 in the CC35, including the dinette and sofa. If you're traveling with pets, the tie-down points and easy clean surfaces are a bonus. Shifting gears to performance, the 2026 Indigo is powered by Ford's 7.3-liter V8 engine, pumping out 335 horsepower and 468 pound-feet of torque. Mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission, it handles highways with ease, accelerating smoothly even when fully loaded. Top speed is governed around 75 miles per hour, but it's more about torque for climbing hills. I've taken similar rigs up the Rockies without breaking a sweat. Fuel economy? Expect 6 to 8 miles per gallon, typical for a Class 8 gas rig this size, with an 80-gallon tank giving you a solid 500-mile range before refueling. Handling is surprisingly car-like thanks to the F53 chassis with independent front suspension and anti-sway bars. The turning radius is tight for its length, about 50 feet curb to curb, so parking lots aren't a nightmare. Brakes are 4-wheel discs with ABS, and the electronic stability control keeps things steady in crosswinds. I drove the DD35 model on twisty back roads, and while it's no sports car, the power steering and adjustable pedals make it accessible for new RV drivers. Off-road? Well, it's not a 4x4, but with 7 inches of ground clearance and all-terrain tires, it handles gravel roads and Forest Service paths just fine. The auto-leveling system stabilizes it quickly on uneven ground, and the propane system, 30 gallons, ensures hot water and heat without relying on hookups. Noise insulation is improved for 2026, with better seals around slides and a quieter engine bay. Conversations at 65 miles per hour are effortless. One nitpick: wind noise can pick up over 70 miles per hour, but that's common in big windshields. Overall, performance strikes a great balance. Powerful enough for towing, efficient for long hauls, and user-friendly for everyday driving. Finally, let's talk price because value is key in the RV world. The 2026 Indigo starts with an MSRP around $225,000 for the base MM30 floor plan, climbing to about $250,000 for loaded CC35 or DD35 models with all the bells and whistles like exterior kitchens and premium interiors. But here's the good news. Dealers are offering steep discounts right out of the gate. I've seen listings as low as $150,000 for well-equipped units, especially if you shop around places like General RV Center. Financing? Expect monthly payments around $1,000 to $1,100 on a 15-year loan with 10% down, depending on credit. Compared to competitors like the Winnebago Vista or Fleetwood Bounder, the Indigo undercuts them by $20,000 to $30,000 while matching features. The new GG35 floor plan, debuting this year at around $230,000 MSRP, brings compact luxury with crossover elements from Thor's Luminate series. Think more efficient layouts without skimping on space. Warranty-wise, you get Thor's 1-year limited on the coach and Ford's 3-year/36,000 mile on the chassis, with options for extended coverage. Is it worth it? Absolutely, if you're seeking entry-level luxury with family in mind. It skimps on some ultra-premium materials, but delivers where it counts: comfort, tech, and reliability. If you're ready to hit the road in style without the 6-figure regret, the 2026 Indigo deserves a spot on your shortlist. Thanks for watching, folks. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and we'll see you in the next review. Safe travels.